Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the spreadsheet and confirming you have edit access. Without it, you cannot set protections. Once done, decide whether you need to protect the whole sheet or just specific ranges, because the steps differ slightly. Make sure collaborators understand the change in advance to avoid surprises. Now select the Sheet tab you plan to protect and keep the file owner or an admin account ready if permission changes are required. This preparation streamlines the first actionable steps that follow. You now create the protection. Go to Data, then choose Protected Sheets and Ranges. Once there, click Add a Sheet or Range and enter a clear description so collaborators know the purpose. Next, choose Sheet or Range depending on your earlier decision, then click Set Permissions. Make sure to select only the people who should edit, or choose only you or custom to preserve owner control. After applying permissions, test by viewing as a collaborator. This confirms the rules behave as intended. You finish by reviewing protections. Use the gear icon to switch warning-only mode if you want soft alerts rather than hard locks, and check Notify Editors so affected users receive a message. Once done, test edits with a collaborator account to confirm restrictions and update exceptions as needed. If someone is unexpectedly blocked, make sure they are listed in permissions and verify there are no overlapping protections on nearby ranges. Ownership and conflicting rules are the most common issues to check when troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.